Ever wondered what amino acids and proteins are and why they're so crucial to our bodies? Let's dive in. Amino acids are tiny molecules made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. There are 20 different types that can mix and match in various sequences to create proteins. These sequences are divided into two categories: essential and non-essential. Essential amino acids are those that our bodies can't produce in sufficient amounts, so we must get them through our diets. Proteins, meanwhile, are large molecules composed of long chains of these amino acids, all linked together by peptide bonds. The particular sequence of amino acids in a protein is determined by our genetic code, which is written in our DNA. Proteins have a multitude of roles in our bodies, from providing structure to cells and tissues to facilitating biochemical reactions. So, amino acids are the building blocks, and proteins are the structures they build. But why are they so important? Amino acids, though small, play big roles in our bodies. These tiny powerhouses are classified into two groups: essential and non-essential. The essential amino acids like leucine, lysine, and tryptophan are ones our bodies can't produce on their own. We need to obtain these from our diet. Then we have the non-essential amino acids, such as alanine, aspartic acid, and glutamic acid. Our bodies can produce these, even if we don't get them from food. Now, you might be wondering, why are amino acids so important? Well, they're the building blocks of proteins, which are vital for our bodies. They help build and repair tissues, make enzymes, and support immune function. Essential amino acids also play a crucial role in mood and brain function, while non-essential ones help detoxify our bodies and produce energy. So, amino acids are not just building blocks, they are essential for our survival. Proteins are not just bodybuilders, they are life sustainers. These power-packed macromolecules are the unsung heroes of our body, playing several vital roles to keep us healthy and active. Firstly, let's talk about structure. Proteins provide the much-needed structure to our cells and tissues. Ever wondered about the strength and flexibility of your skin, bones, and tendons? Well, that's collagen for you, a protein that forms the structural framework of our tissues. Moving on, we have enzymes. Yes, those super-efficient biochemical catalysts are proteins too. They speed up chemical reactions in our body, from digesting food to repairing damaged tissues. Without these protein enzymes, our body's reactions would be so slow that we'd be less living, more still life. Next, we have the transporters. Proteins like hemoglobin are the body's very own delivery service, transporting oxygen from our lungs to all parts of the body. There are also other transport proteins that work as gatekeepers, moving molecules in and out of our cells. Proteins also moonlight as hormones. Insulin is a notable example. This protein hormone helps regulate our blood sugar levels, ensuring that we have the right amount of energy when we need it. Then there are the bodyguards, antibodies. These proteins form an integral part of our immune system, identifying and neutralizing foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. Without these protein defenders, we would be easy prey for diseases. Lastly, proteins are the maestros of cell communication. They relay signals from one cell to another, coordinating various cellular activities. This cellular chit-chat is crucial for our body to function as a well-coordinated unit. In short, proteins are like the skilled workers in the factory of life. They build, they transport, they protect, they communicate, and they keep the machinery running. From the strength of our muscles to the rhythm of our heartbeats, from the glow of our skin to the sharpness of our mind, proteins are involved in nearly every facet of our life. Proteins, thus, are the workers that keep our body functioning smoothly. How does our body create these vital proteins? Well, it all starts with a process called protein synthesis, which involves two key steps: transcription and translation. During transcription, the genetic information from DNA is transcribed into messenger RNA, or mRNA. Then, during translation, this mRNA serves as a template to assemble the corresponding sequence of amino acids, creating a protein. So, to wrap things up, let's review. Amino acids, small molecules composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur, link together in various sequences to form proteins. These proteins then take on a myriad of roles in the body, from providing structural support to cells and tissues, to facilitating biochemical reactions as enzymes, to transporting molecules, to acting as hormones, and even playing a vital role in our immune system. In essence, amino acids and proteins are the fundamental units of life, playing a myriad of roles in our body.